Hello friends, good evening. In this video, we are going to discuss current affairs of May 27, 2021, top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. First question. Recently, which country has become the home for world's largest number of smokers? Answer, China. China is the home for world's largest number of smokers. The country have over 350 million smokers. The report jointly released by China's National Health Commission and World Health Organization, China office at press conference has highlighted China's smoking situation and its negative effects. Current affairs of China. From the trend of population development in these recent years, the population growth will continue in the future, NBS head Ning said, adding that China's total population will remain at more than 1.4 billion in the near future. Second point, debris from a Chinese rocket is expected to fall back to Earth in an uncontrolled re-entry this weekend. The main segment of Long March 5B vehicle was used to launch the first module of China's space news nation last month. Third point, China has successfully landed a spacecraft on Mars, state media announced early on Saturday. The six-wheeled Zhurong robot was targeting Utopia Planitia, a vast terrain in the planet's northern hemisphere. Second question, which banking firm has become the 14th Indian unicorns this year? Answer, Zeta. Banking technology solution provider Zeta has become the 14th startup to join Unicorn Club this year after it raised 250 million from Japanese investment giant SoftBank for its Series C round. Third question, who is nominated as the Indian American to key administration position in US? Answer, Arun Venkataraman. US President Joe Biden on Wednesday announced his intent to nominate Indian American Arun Venkataraman to a key position in his administration related to foreign commercial services. Fourth question, who has become the third police from Maharashtra to climb Mount Everest recently? Answer, Sambhaji Gaurav. Assistant Police Inspector Sambhaji Gaurav from the Quick Response Team of Navy Mumbai Police has become the third policeman from Maharashtra to climb Mount Everest. He has dedicated his achievements to his mother, who passed away in early 2018, and after reaching the peak on May 23, he unfolded a poster that said, "Respect women." Current affairs about Mount Everest. China has cancelled attempt to climb Mount Everest from its side of the world's highest peak because of fears of importing coronavirus cases from neighboring country Nepal. Second point, Nepalese climber Kami Rita Sherpa scaled Mount Everest for the 25th time on Friday, breaking his own record for the most ascents of the world's highest peak. Union Minister Kiren Rijiju congratulated Tashi Yangjom on Saturday for successfully scaling Mount Everest and becoming the first Indian woman climber to summit the world's highest peak this year. Mount Everest. Mount Everest is Earth's highest mountain above sea level, located in Mahalangur Himal sub-range of Himalayas. Fifth question, which day is celebrated as the death anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru? Answer, May 27th. As India pays homage to the country's first and longest serving Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, on his 57th death anniversary by remembering his contribution to the nation, few known that he was home schooled till he turned 15, where he received the most of his primary education before he went to study overseas and returned to India in 1912. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian independent activist and subsequently the first Prime Minister of India, as well as a central figure in Indian politics both before and after independence. He was born on 14 November 1889, Prayagraj, died on 27 May 1964, Teen Murti Bhavan, New Delhi, spouse Kamala Nehru, children Indira Gandhi, parents Motilal Nehru and Suryav Rani Nehru. Sixth question. Which country will launch mobile tech platform Unite Aware for UN peacekeepers? Answer: India. In this regard, I am happy to inform the Council that India, in partnership with UNDPKO, Department of Operational Support, has working towards development of mobile tech platform Unite Aware that helps increase situational awareness and provides terrain related information to peacekeepers. Seventh question. Who has become the first Indian to win Rudolf Schindler Award recently? Answer: Dr. Nageshwar Reddy. Padma Bhushan awardee and noted gastroenterologist Dr. Nageshwar Reddy, who is also the chairman of AIG Hospitals, has won the Rudolf V. Schindler Award from American Society of Gastrointestinal Endoscopy (ASGE). Dr. Nageshwar Reddy. Dr. Nageshwar Reddy is an Indian gastroenterologist who studied at the Kurnool Medical College. Second point, he is the chairman and founder of Asian Institute of Gastroenterologists at Hyderabad, the biggest gastroenterology hospital in the world. He received Padma Shri Award in 2002 and Padma Bhushan Award in 2016. Eighth question. Who has been honored with FIH President's Award recently? Answer: V.K. Pandian. The International Hockey Federation on Saturday recognized V.K. Pandian, Private Secretary to Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, with the FIH President's Award for his contribution towards development and promotion of hockey in Odisha. Ninth question. Who has won 2021 PGA Professional Golfers Association Championship recently? Answer: Phil Mickelson. American professional golfer Phil Mickelson has created history by winning 2021 PGA Championship at the age of 50. With this victory, Mickelson became the oldest player to win a major title in the history of the PGA Tour. This is his sixth major title. Tenth question. Who will become the next CEO of Amazon from 5th July? Answer: Andy Jassy. Andy Jassy will officially become the CEO of Amazon on July 5th, the company announced at a shareholder meeting on Wednesday. The company picked the date because it marks 27 years to the day that Amazon was incorporated, according to reports who transcribed remarks of outgoing CEO Jeff Bezos. More points. Amazon.com Inc. is an American multinational technology company based in Seattle, Washington, which focused on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. Its founder is Jeff Bezos, founded on 5th July 1994, Bellevue, Washington, United States. Headquarters Seattle, Washington, United States. 11th question. Name the Indian activist and freedom fighter who died at the age of 103 years. Answer: H.S. Doreswamy. Freedom fighter and activist H.S. Doreswamy, who was 103 years old, passed away in Bangalore on Wednesday. He had recovered from COVID-19 on May 12 but was hospitalized at Jayadeva Hospital in the city again, where he passed away after a cardiac arrest. 12th question. Who has been awarded with the European Golden Shoe Prize recently? Answer: Robert Lewandowski. Now that all of Europe's main 5 top flights has concluded their season. Bayern Munich's Robert Lewandowski has been officially crowned Europe's Golden Shoe winner. Thirteenth question. Sports Ministry has approved the opening of how many Khelo India centers in 7 states? Answer 143. The Sports Ministry has given its approval to open 143 Khelo India centers across 7 states in the country with total budget estimate of Rs 14.30 crore. The state include Maharashtra, Mizoram, Goa, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh and Manipur. More points. Kiran Rijiju is an Indian lawyer and politician from Arunachal Pradesh. A member of Bharatiya Janata Party, Rijiju is the current Minister of State of the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Minister of the State in the Ministry of Minority Affairs of India. He was born on 19 November 1971. Party Bharatiya Janata Party. Office member of Lok Sabha since 2014. 14th question. Who has become the first female flight test engineer of India? Answer Ashrita V. Oletti, a native of Karnataka, has graduated as part of the 43rd flight test course after completing a 1-year course at pilot school. First Indian woman in Indian history. Mother Teresa, first Indian woman to win Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. Indira Gandhi, first woman Prime Minister of India. Pratibha Patil, first woman President of India. Kalpana Chawla, first Indian woman in space. Kiran Bedi, first woman officer in India. Fatima Bibi, first female judge in Supreme Court. Saina Nehwal, first Indian to win a medal in badminton at Olympics. Bachendri Pal, first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. Anna Malhotra, first woman IAS officer of India. Harita Kaur Diol, first woman pilot to fly solo in the Indian Air Force. Priya Jinjang, the first Indian woman to join Indian Army. Mary Kom, the only woman boxer who has won a medal in each of 6 world championships. This is very important. 15th question. Which company has won Star Export House Award 2021? Answer Sri Malani Farms. Sri Malani Farms Private Limited has won the coveted Star Export House Award from the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. The certification is valid for 5 years between 2021 to 2026. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.